Talk about, if you can, a little bit more of why ViewSonic and what makes us different in the DV/LED space.
Yes, well, awesome people like you and I work here, of course, but that really is the people that work here and the partnership that we provide. So ViewSonic is a U.S.-based company, and we're very proud of that. We have U.S.-based support. So all of our field solutions architects and engineers are going to be here in either Southern California or spread out around the country. All of our tech support is going to be here. Our customer service is going to be here, as well as our stock. You know, I mentioned that as well. We have a very big warehouse about 30 minutes away from here where all of our DV/LEDs are stocked. And that's allows us to get that product there as reliably as we can. That's going to be a key thing, is really that partnership. Direct view LEDs, they can be scary, they can be complicated. We obviously taken a simple approach with the product, and we solve that problem with the product, but just as important is the partnership that we provide to make that happen. Right. So I mentioned our field solutions architects a few times, but they're integral to this experience. So we have a few different services that they're involved with that we offer. So design consultation. Hey, look, I've got this. I want to see, maybe instead of a projector, maybe I want to see if a direct view is good. I don't really know where to start. You don't have to be a direct view expert. Call us and let us be that specialist for you. We'll set up a call. We'll go over your space. Hey, what does it look like? Even down to what's the type of material that you've got. We can help guide there. What are you looking to do? What's the application? How can we help? And then we can specify the right product for you, and so that you can go in with confidence knowing you have that right product. Whether it's LDE, LDM, LDP, LDC, LDS, whatever it is, we're there to help you select that. And then the next phase, if you do decide to move forward with a ViewSonic direct view LED, now that same field solutions architect is carrying you through that whole project. So you'll be working, either you'll be installing it yourselves, or you'll be working with an installer, ideally a ViewSonic direct view LED certified installer.
Won't be me though.
It won't be you, but they'll get on a pre-installation call. Make sure, hey, do we have everything we need? Is the power where it needs to be? What's the structure like? Do we need to put backing up? Was it put on? Direct view LED is very much a measure twice, cut once sort of scenario. If everything is ready to go, these things can go up very quickly. But there's a lot of things that happen on site, right? The wall is never flat. The power a lot of times isn't quite where it needs to be, or hey, we thought we could use a ladder. Guess what? We need a lift, things like that. So we'll go over that to make sure, hey, this site is going to be ready. Once it gets to the install, then you have the option for someone from that team to come out and help guide the install or supervise that install. So they'll work with the installers that are on site to say, hey, okay, here's how we want to unpack stuff, right? Here's the best practices that we want to use, and show how to do that, how to put up the mounting brackets, how to put up the cabinets, how to tile it, how to connect everything, and also help commission the system afterwards as well. We mentioned, though, it's going to be software free. So you're not going to be spending a whole day up there with software trying to map everything. That's all done. So it's a lot of it's going to be helping them make sure that physically it's going up, it's looking good, and it's going to meet those expectations.